Welcome to my YouTube channel. Kindly like and subscribe if this is the first time you're seeing my videos.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use adduser command in Linux, a user-friendly alternative to user add for creating user accounts. Whether you are setting up a test environment or managing multiple users, this is a command you will want to know. The adduser command creates a new user on Linux system through an interactive prompt. The high-level wrapper is written in pair and is a front end for adduser. Running the command creates a home directory, adds the default shell as bash, and prompts the user to enter a password to unlock the account. However, the command doesn't provide much control over the user creation details. Adduser is unavailable on all Linux distributions and therefore not portable. And the basic syntax for it is sudo adduser username. Just type sudo adduser followed by the username and it will walk you through the rest. And change the username to any name of our choice. Let me say I want to create a username, Kate. I'll type in my password, then new password, then hit enter. The full name, Kate Johnson. That's the full name of the user. The room number 6. The work number. The home number. Order. Just put. Is the information correct? So here I will just type Y and hit enter. Once completed, Kate will have a new home directory at /home/Kate and the account is ready to use. Now for me to view my user Kate, ID Kate. So this is going to show me Kate user ID. Now to add a user to a group, I'll use the command sudo user mode -a capital letter G blue team. Then the username Kate. I hit enter. This add Kate to the blue team group. Now for me to view a user group, I will use the command cat /etc/pass wd, then pipe grep Kate. This command is going to show me Kate's full name, which is Kate Johnson, Kate's room number, Kate's phone number, Kate's home number, and order, which is 8. Then it will show me Kate's home directory, which is /home/Kate. Then where it is located, bin bash. Adduser is great for interactive use, while user add gives more control for scripts and advanced setup. That's it for the adduser command in Linux. Quick, simple, super helpful for daily user management. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Linux and cybersecurity content. See you on the next one.